Welcome to our channel, where we share inspiring stories that touch the heart and calm the soul. Today's story is about a young man who struggled every day with endless thoughts and worries. His mind was always busy, thinking about mistakes from the past and fears of the future. He felt tired, sad, and restless. But one simple lesson from a wise old man changed everything. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this peaceful journey to discover the secret to a calm mind. Once upon a time, in a quiet mountain village, lived a young man named Arin. Though he had everything he needed, his heart was never at peace. His mind was full of noise, too many thoughts, too many worries. Every night he would lie awake, replaying old memories and imagining problems that hadn't even happened yet. The more he tried to control his mind, the louder it became. One day, Arin heard about a wise old man who lived in another village far away, a man known for helping people find peace in their hearts. Arin decided to travel there, hoping that maybe this old man could show him how to stop his thoughts and finally feel calm again. After a long and tiring journey, Arin reached the peaceful village. There, under the shade of a big tree, the old man sat quietly with a gentle smile on his face. Arin bowed and said respectfully, "Sir, my mind never rests. I can't stop thinking, and I just want peace." The old man nodded kindly and said, "I will give you a small task." He took a glass, filled it to the very top with water, and handed it to Arin. "Walk from here to the village gate and come back. But remember, don't spill a single drop." Arin was surprised but agreed. Holding the glass carefully, he began walking slowly down the road. The path was full of people, noise, and distractions. Children laughed, dogs barked, and the wind blew dust across the road. But Arin didn't look around. His eyes stayed fixed on the glass of water. Step by step, he walked with full attention, his mind focused only on one thing: not spilling the water. When he finally returned, not a single drop had spilled. The old man smiled and asked, "Tell me, Arin, did you hear the dogs barking or see the children playing?" Arin shook his head and said, "No, I was only focused on the glass." The old man nodded and said softly, "That, my son, is peace. When your mind stays in the present moment, it doesn't wander to the past or the future. In that moment, you are free from worry, free from fear, and free from pain." Arin finally understood the secret. Peace was not somewhere outside, it was inside him all along. From that day, he learned to live each moment fully and mindfully. He practiced being present while eating, walking, and even breathing. Slowly, his mind became calm and his heart became light. Friends, this story reminds us that true peace comes when we stop chasing our thoughts and simply stay in the present. The past is gone, the future hasn't come. But this moment right now is real. And in this moment, you can find peace. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-touching stories and life lessons. Until next time, stay calm, stay peaceful, and remember, the present moment is your true home.